Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Mini ISO 101. Today we're going to cover one of the important functions of Mini ISO, which is the PTZ control function. PTZ control is what really sets Mini ISO apart from any other mini switcher on the market right now. And, it makes the Mini ISO compact and all-in-one solutions, which you don't need additional hardware or software to control your PTZ cameras while doing live streaming, live event, podcast, video cast, something, all that. Okay, and let's go to our device, see how we can configure and control our PTZ camera. Okay. First, you will have to connect your PTZ cameras, multiple, you can do up to 4, to the same network as Mini ISO. Okay. And we have one, the HDMI connected to a 4K camera, and HDMI 4 connected to a Full HD PTZ cameras. Okay. Let's go into the menu and scroll it to PTZ here. Okay. So first, you will have to configure the IP and the ports, the basic settings for each camera you want to control. So you can browse through camera 1 to 4 using a plus and minus sign here. Okay, so let's start with camera 4, which I already configured. I'm gonna put the IP address for that camera here, the port number, the physical port number here, and switch on enable. Right now you are able to control the camera connected to HDMI 4 here in the input channel 4. Okay, so on the left side here, you can actually do zoom, focus. You can switch it to home positions. It's like a shortcut for your PTZ camera. It will go to the default positions, camera angles, which store in the PTZ, and you can start the autofocus, switch on and off autofocus, and scrolling down you can do pan and tilt it for your camera. Okay, but for me, I would much more like you to use the joystick and the zoom buttons right here to control the pan and tilt and the zooming for this one. Okay, let's try to actually play with it. Okay, now we have enabled the HDMI 4. Switch on to the programs. Okay. See. Okay. Now you're seeing the view for my camera 4. Alright, let's try to do up and down to do different zoom. Okay. So you can see the control is in real time, and I try zoom in a little bit and zoom out. You can do zoom while I'm doing pan. Okay. Okay. So really easy and really fun for me to use the joystick and the zoom button to control it. Okay. So during the live, when you're starting a live, you can actually save down different views and save the PTZ positions, so you can quickly to record during your events and live streamings. Okay, so once you have configured the camera angle you need, you can go to the view, okay, and save that under one of the 8 views you have. For example, I can save that to 1, long press, and confirm. Okay. Now, if I were to move the camera to another positions, and I want to quickly go back to a previous camera angle, I can go back to view and tap the 1. Okay. It will go exactly the camera position I saved in view 1. Okay. So that's how you can control and save view. Now let's try to do another camera, which is the 4K camera I configured in. I have connected in camera 1, channel 1. So go back to PTZ camera, and you will have to scroll browser to HTML1. Okay, and now the IP address for the camera 1, the input channel 1 is in default. So I have to change the IP address to my 4K camera's IP, which is 110.155. So you're gonna use a knob right here to change the number. Okay, just turn the knob a little bit. Okay, 155. So this is the 4K camera's IP address. Okay, then port number. So 1259 is commonly used for the IP for the VISCA ports for most of the manufacturers. But some of the cameras we use Sony VISCA protocol. Okay, so in that case, the port number will be 5238.1. Okay, you set their exact port number. So this is important. It's in order to get the mini ISO to able to send the correct command to the correct address. So we can directly control the PTZ. Okay. Some of the PTZ camera you can set the protocol, the VISC protocol port as a custom port, which you have to figure it out and fill in the correct port number right here. Okay. After that, let's go to camera 1 here. So this I'm controlling another PTZ camera. This is my main camera shot. Okay. You can save that and go to another view if you like. So camera 5, view 5. Okay. That's it. So this is well, quite easy to do it while you are actually need to control the camera during your live streaming or live events. So yeah, that's all for today's topic, and stay tuned for our channels, and we're gonna bring more and useful videos showing you how to control, how to use the mini ISO to its full potentials. Okay, thank you for watching today. Bye.